Hello. So for this project, our client required us to build a database, a web data connector that would connect his certain data sources, and we store the data from those data sources into a Postgres database, and then connect that Postgres database to Tableau, so he can perform visualizations on it. So this is what the data roughly looked like. These were the links from where we had to request for data. So we first set up a Linode server, and I have SSH into that server. So this is where the server is, where we had set up the Postgres database. Then we write a Python code to take data from that data source and ingest into the Postgres database. So this is what the code looks like. So we can see that the Postgres was present. Postgres database is present here. This is what the data looks like once it is inserted. So along with this, the client also required that all these files are executed automatically at certain intervals of time. So for that, we had used cron. So we can list all the cron jobs using cron tab minus L. Yeah. So these are the jobs that are scheduled. So as we can see, this line of code tells us that execute this Python file, the bubblefs bank data connector.py, once every day at 12 a.m. and so on. So this is how we could automate the execution of Python files.